Benjamin. Benjamin. And give Curious George a hug. Jonathan, can you scoot out of the way, please? Jonathan, I see you. I see you. I see you, okay? Okay, Benjamin. Okay, Jonathan, I see you. I see you. Alright.
Almost, not yet.
I am already done.
So sweet. Is he your George?
Yeah.
Did you get him for Valentine's Day? Can you have George hop to Benjamin so Benjamin can give him a hug?
Hop, hop.
Hug, hug.
Hop, hop. No. Hop, hop, hop.
That's so sweet.
Jonathan, you gonna give Benjamin a hug?
Oh, you're sweet.
Hey, Jonathan. Benjamin. Benjamin, you giving George a hug? Go get George, Benjamin.
George a hug.
Jonathan. Jonathan, who do you have? Is that Daisy?
Yeah.
What's up, Matthew? Hey, Matthew. Oh, you're done with your dinner. That's good. So you're eating your cupcake now? Good for you. Want some fish oil with that cupcake? Alright, some good stuff, right? Alright. Yeah, gentle, guys. Guys. Okay, I'm gonna get Benjamin out of the way. Okay, hold on.